Hello and a warm welcome to the next session at the conference here. And in this next session, we would like to present you an approach we called continuous quality assurance, what it is and how we implemented it and integrated it in our organization. My name is Klaus Baumgartner. I'm the R&D manager of digital buildings at Siemens Smart Infrastructure Building Products. And today I'm accompanied by my Siemens colleague, Peter.
Yes, also warm welcome from my side. My name is Peter Fassbinder. I'm a principal expert for PLM process innovation with Siemens Advanta Consulting. I have a very long history in the lean agile domain, but for more than 5 years now, I'm dedicating my time fully to the topics of continuous delivery and DevOps, and especially to the questions how those approaches can be applied in a company like ours. As probably most of you know, Siemens is a very large company with close to 300,000 employees. We have a history of over 170 years, and we're coming from a heritage with really physical, technological, electronical products. But of course, also in our area, digitalization, IoT, and increasing importance of software are spreading across our portfolio, across our business. And this is also the reason why Klaus and myself are today here at this conference and talking about a topic such as DevOps. In this slide, you can see the current setup of Siemens with the operative divisions with a variety of those, and something that you might not have seen before is a relatively new add-on to the screen. It's called Siemens Advanta, and that's where I'm located. And the mission of Siemens Advanta is to really look into these digital topics and to unlock the digital future of our clients. And this is also what we've been doing in the past with my client, with Klaus, with the digital buildings, where we're really driving this topic forward that we would like to explain to you today. So I'll handing back to you, Klaus.
Yeah, and before we go into the subject, just a few words about my organization. Building products or digital buildings was a pioneer in the building industry and provides a full set of products and services around a building. And with this offering, we are basically turning a building into a smart system. And if you look at a building, here as an example, you can see several disciplines which are in a building like security, safety, power or lighting, which were historically purely on-premise and predominantly hardware-based systems. But today, they are more and more getting connected to the cloud, and a user wants to manage, wants to operate and monitor those systems maybe with a mobile phone, or manage then the system via a cloud-based web service. And with this development, we had to change not only the technology, we were also forced to change the way we were working, because we were coming from a process world where we had projects with an development time and a release cycle of many months, up to a year or even longer. And we had to move to a continuous way of delivering technology to leverage the possibilities of the digitalization. And here I'm probably preaching to the converted, because continuous delivery and DevOps should be all known to you. But if we look at an industrial environment, there's also a lot of adjacent regulatory or other quality assurance aspects which also need to be fulfilled even in a continuous delivery. And the approach, how we embedded and integrated this in our continuous delivery, is what we call this continuous quality assurance approach. And what it is in detail and how we implemented it and integrated it in our continuous delivery pipeline, this is what we want to show, and where Peter now will go into more detail.
Yes, thank you. Continuous quality assurance. Continuous quality assurance, our solution to drive this topic forward in a continuous world, also for industrial companies. And from our point, this is a very important topic and one of the crucial success factors, enablers to really bring this continuous DevOps topic into life in a company as ours, as Klaus briefly explained. And in the next few slides, I will first give you an overview about the core idea behind this continuous quality approach we developed over the past couple of years and actually applied into a couple of Siemens businesses so far. And then I will also talk a little bit about how you can really manage this in practice efficiently. On this slide, it's basically, you can already see the core idea of this continuous quality approach. And this is something that has to do with the mantra green to green. You hopefully are familiar with it. The bottom line of this picture labeled continuous integration, again, should also be very familiar to you. I mean, coming from a history where we did projects in the past, also in the IT companies, and now moving towards a continuous value stream with the CI/CD pipelines and so on, really implied a very different way of working. The uppermost priority was really to make sure that you always have an up and running system, a green system, and with the highly automated continuous integration toolchain, this is exactly how you can ensure it. And if you want to move toward this more continuous value stream, like Klaus explained to you, which is also the need for our businesses in certain areas,